Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing a gnocchi recipe that I learned off of Eating Well. I think I said living well in last week's video. It's not that, it's Eating Well. And I will have it linked in the description box below so you can check out this recipe if it interests you. But this is such a filling, amazing, fresh tasting dish that is so good. You could serve it to guests and you can even do it with a protein if you want. It is a vegetarian dish. So, want to know how I make it? Stay tuned and let's do this. Okay, first, I'm just going to apologize for any background noise that you might be hearing. It is summer in Texas, and that means the kids are home from school. And so there's a vacuum going off in the background and a TV going off, and I really can't find a time to film where there isn't noise in the house. You need to calm down. So I'm hoping that it's not too bad. So just gonna say sorry. Also, still humid here in Texas. It's beachy, even though I don't live by a beach. All right, let's go in the kitchen and see how I make this. Okay, the first thing you're gonna need is a package of shelf-stable gnocchi, a 16-ounce package. You're gonna put a tablespoon of oil into a medium saucepan and throw that in there and just stir it up till it gets golden brown. You're also gonna need sun-dried tomatoes, basil, white beans, or a protein if you want something different, some heavy cream, chicken stock, spinach, baby spinach in a package, some shallots, and some lemon juice. Fresh lemon juice would be better, but I didn't have that, and some extra virgin olive oil. It does say to use the oil from the sun-dried tomatoes, but I used olive oil. Once the gnocchi is done, which is about 5 minutes, then you're gonna add your white beans and your spinach, and you're just gonna cook it for another minute or two until that spinach gets wilted down and looks like this. Once you've done that, you're gonna remove that from your pan into a separate bowl, add a little more oil to your pan, and then you're going to put in your shallots. Everything will be in the description box below as far as amounts. I doubled the recipe because I have teenage boys and they eat more than one serving. So you're also going to add in your sun-dried tomatoes and you're going to saute those around until those shallots are nice and translucent and cooked through. Oh, I wish you could smell this through the screen. It's so good. It smells so good in the house. Okay, once that has been brought to a boil, you're gonna add your lemon juice and salt and pepper. It's a 1/4 teaspoon of ground pepper and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, but just do it to taste. And it is 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, which of course I did too because I have doubled the recipe. There's the lemon juice. Give that a stir and then turn your heat from high down to medium, and that's where you're going to add in your heavy whipping cream, 1/4 cup. Sorry, 1/3 cup. Then once that's combined, you bring the gnocchi mixture back into the saucepan, stir it all together, let it cook through a minute or two until everything is thoroughly combined. And this is what you are left with. It is a fresh lemon, basil, spinach, sun-dried tomato gnocchi. Again with the white beans, but you could do a protein in there. Chicken or shrimp would be amazing. And it is so light on one end, like a summer dish, but also super filling and comforting. This has got to be summer comfort food at its best. Okay, so the fresh basil, the lemon juice, it just gives such a great, fresh, summery vibe. Even though that gnocchi tends to be on the heavier side, this is kind of a lighter version of it. And it tastes so amazing. If you don't want to do the white beans, that was kind of the only thing that my family didn't love was the white beans. I loved it. But if you wanted to substitute with some grilled chicken or some shrimp, I think it would taste really amazing. It would give you some protein and not have the beans. You can swap those ingredients out, but the rest of it Just make it how it is. It's so good and refreshing, but yet super filling for the calorie count. And I just absolutely loved it. We will be making this many times in the future, and I hope you'll make it too. All right, you guys, that's it for today's video. I hope that you enjoyed this. If you did, give it a thumbs up all over the place and share it with friends. It really does help my channel kind of get out there and get noticed a little bit. So I hope that you will do that, and I hope you'll try this recipe as well. If there are any recipes that you are interested in, that you've seen online or in a magazine, and you're just not sure if it's worth the purchase for the ingredients, put a comment in the links below to this recipe that you are interested in, and I will try it out and see if it's worth it before you try it out. Otherwise, I hope you're having a great day. Keep plugging on this journey of a lifetime, and we'll see you in the next video. See ya.